Hello guys. Very warm welcome to Shanghai Elue Machining, official YouTube channel. This video is your guide demonstrating the role injection molding is playing in the automotive industry and its benefits for the auto sector. When we think of cars, then one thing comes into mind, a huge body of metal, especially steel. Steel constitutes a major part in car construction. But perceiving cars as a huge metal frame, and things inside the body, is just like missing the forest for the trees. Not considering the plastics parts fitted. Like the one we use to enter the car, a plastic door handle. The other one we play around for listening songs on radio. A radio dial. Back in the days, cars were made with metals only. But today's automobile sector harnesses advanced technologies to make small, lightweight, and durable parts. In this video, we'll specifically talk about injection molding in auto industry. Modern automobiles consist of a great quantity of plastics parts and components. It is about half of the dry mass of the vehicles. Auto sector employing injection molding for engineering automotive parts. Relying on special equipment to fill specially made molds with liquid plastics. That solidifies into the final component. Applications of injection molding in auto industry. Allow me to introduce you with auto parts being created using injection molding. Components under the hood. With the advent of injection molding, many under-the-hood components are created using plastic that were previously produced with metal. These parts include critical engine subassemblies, cylinder head covers, and oil pans. For these applications, robust polymers are recommended, like ABS, nylon, and PET. Next we have exterior components. Plastic injection molding is a proven and dependable manufacturing method for exterior automobile parts, which include bumpers, light housings, fenders, floor rails, and door panels. Splash guards that protect vehicles against road debris. And splashing are produced using a durable and flexible material such as rubber. Now we talk about the interior parts fabricated using injection molding. Interior auto parts manufactured using automotive plastic injection molding are dashboard face plates, instrumentation components, air vents, interior surfaces, door handles. Why automakers choose injection molding? Let's now have a look at the excellence injection molding offers, and why automakers prefer this machining technique for their productions. Repeatability. Automobile manufacturers need such a technology that can offer constant production of the repeatable parts, with same quality and finishing. Once mold is created, then injection molding, being a highly repeatable process, provides the ability to create tens of thousands identical parts. Scale and cost. The creation of the mold can be costly, but injection molding becomes a highly scalable process when it comes to producing a large quantity from that single mold. Therefore, increasing the number of components will reduce the cost. Complex shaped parts. Injection molding is more capable of producing complex geometrical parts than other plastic manufacturing processes. It is because of the inclusion of computer-enabled mold designs that allows some advanced and sturdy fabrication options for auto manufacturers. High precision and surface finish. Injection molding is an ideal process for manufacturing high precision parts with quality surface finishes. It offers several finishing methods along with many surface textures, including matte, glossy, etc., that is applied to the mold rather than molded components. Durability. The materials available for part fabrication and injection molding offer better strength that is perfect for the heavy-duty environment of the vehicle. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you need injection molding services for your business, you can contact us right now. Our state-of-the-art workshop and seasoned staff are always at your disposal to guide you with the best possible solution to solve your business needs.